just a baby bird we found next to the garage.
It's all wintry and stuff out, and he was just like sitting there, and he was like shivered and cold and whatever and whatnot, and figured maybe he was a little hungry. And then he's eating his food there.
And we're really not
Oh,
sure
look at that.
what kind of bird this is.
Oh, look at, oh, he's so cute.
We think he fell out of a tree
Yeah.
because he was shivering when I found him.
Is it good? Is it good stuff? Got him in here in a warm garage. The redneck wood stove going.
Garage.
55 degrees in here. It's a lot warmer than it is out there, isn't it? 26 out there. Yeah, it is. It's cold. It's cold out there. Do you want any more? Maybe he's thirsty.
So you're telling me to go get some water for him?
Thirsty and tired, cold, hungry. Look at him, he closing his eyes, he's sleeping. We had to crush up the bird seed because it was too big for him to eat. So we crushed it up and now he can eat it. Oh, and he pooped.
Aww.
Pooped on me. So if anybody has any idea what kind of bird that is, see if I can get him to spread his wing a little. You can look at it.
Get the back of him once.
He's like, don't touch. I wonder what he is. He's like, oh yeah, here, have some food.
Aww.
You get him a dish of water and freaking just let him roam around the garage for a bit or something, or put him in a box and make sure he stays warm till he recovers or whatever, and
Then let him go.
let him go. Let him go. He's just loving that. Cracked a bunch of seed for him. That thing was like, had a lot of seed in it, that cap did. He's just loving the hell out of that. He's all perky and stuff now, instead of half lethargic. Whoop. Hello, bub. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Here, you want to go up here? There you go. There's some more food up there. Well, look at that. Good food and water. He's loving the shit out of that. Yeah, you almost fell down them blocks. That would have been fun, tearing all them block out of there and get the bird out. It's not cemented in. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. Seems that my little friend is not scared of too much. Boy. He's eating more seed. He looks a lot better than he did, though. Yeah, he does. What you doing? Hop up. Hop up. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. What are you looking for? Come here. Come on. There's nothing on the bench that you need to be concerned yourself with. There's chemicals and stuff up here. You don't need that. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Come on. Hey. Come here, shithead. Come here. Oh. You over there. Shut up. Stupid redneck wood stove. Making a bunch of noise. You want to go outside now, don't you? You've had enough of the indoors. Yeah, you have. No? Should we let you out? He let you out? You've had a belly full. Oh, now you're on a camera. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. What are you doing? Come on. Come here. Come here. Let's just... Come here. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, come here, come here, come here. Oh, for Lord. Alright. Can open up the door.
Oh, you gonna let him go?
Yeah, he seems to be
Boys
good.
are out there. Boys are out there.
Seems to be good. What are you looking
Boys are out
for?
there. Watch the boys.
Here you go. I lost him in a tree now.